here's what you'll need for my minced beef hot pot. Some beef mince, obviously, tomato puree, carrot, a couple of sticks of celery, an onion, a couple of garlic cloves, beef stock cube, mushrooms, some potatoes for the topping, some peas, balsamic vinegar, that's optional, but I mean it does add to the flavour. Same goes for the Marmite, or the shop's own brand as I've got. It's optional, but it does add to the flavour. Coleman's mustard powder, some thyme and some cornflour to thicken the gravy up. First thing we're going to do, add a glug of olive oil into your pan, and then it's in with your minced beef, and we're just going to brown that off. With the mince browning off, it's time to get your veg washed, peeled and chopped up, ready for the pan. And your meat nicely browned off, time to go in with garlic, carrots, celery, onion and mushrooms. Then into there some salt and pepper. Pop the lid back on and give them 5 minutes to soften down and cook. When they've had 5 minutes, time to go in with your other ingredients. So first off, your stock. Into there, about 2 tablespoons of your tomato puree. Tablespoon of your corn flour or potato starch mixed with cold water. Don't use hot water, use cold. Then a teaspoon of your thyme, same your mustard powder, a teaspoon of that, and a dash of your balsamic vinegar, a heaped teaspoon of your marmite, and last but not least, it's in with some of your frozen peas. Get them all mixed in and then give them 10 minutes just to cook down and thicken up the gravy sauce. With your mince reducing on the stove, time to peel your spuds, and I'm going to cut them about 1/4 of an inch thick. When your mince has reduced down, time to go into your oven-proof dish with it. Then it's onto there with your potatoes. I'm just going to slightly overlap them, something like that. Then give them a spray with some oil, or in this case some butter. Then that wants to go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius if you've got a fan oven. If not, turn it up to 200 for around 45 minutes until the potatoes start to go nice and brown and crispy. When it's had its time in the fridge, hopefully it will come out looking something like that. Sprinkle on a bit of parsley, or in this case celery leaves, for a bit of garnish, and then get stuck in.